Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 2.3 question number 3. If the product of two whole numbers is 1, can you say that one or both of them will be 1? Justify through examples. Product of two whole numbers. Suppose whole number 1, whole number 1 multiply whole number 2, whole number 2. What we will get, that you can see. If the product of two whole number is 1, suppose one whole number is 1 into 1 is equal to 1, right? 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 1 into 3 is equal to 3. 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Now the question is, if the product of two whole number is 1, here the product of two whole number is 1 only in this case, right? Can you say that one or both of them will be 1? We can say that both will be 1 if both of them, both the whole number is 1, only then we are getting the answer is 1. But if one of them is 1 and the other is other number, then we will get the other number, that is 2 or 3 or 4 or maybe 5. Maybe 5. Right? That means we are getting only 1 when both of them will be 1. Okay? Now we can say that if the product of two whole number is 1, we can say that both of them will be 1, otherwise it will not be 1. Right? Therefore the answer is justify through examples. We have given the examples here. Therefore, if the product of two whole numbers is 1, we can say that both of them will be 1. We can say that both of them will be 1. Will be 1. Right? This is the solution of question number 3.